Hi everyone, my name is Matilda and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm giving you over 25 last minute Valentine's crochet ideas. That was a mouthful. And I've separated it into 5 sections: amigurumi, flowers, scarves, home decor, and miscellaneous. The first idea are these really adorable bears. You can use pink, red or white yarn to make them Valentine's Day themed, and you can also crochet little cardigans on them, which I think is so cute. And you can also sew the mouth differently so it like curves upwards into a smile if you want it to be even more adorable. They can even be holding these cute little heart plushies, which leads me on to my next idea. This tutorial is by the same YouTuber. You should definitely give her a follow. I love her aesthetic and her tutorials are always super clear. I once made a mini heart plushie for one of my friends as a Valentine's Day gift last year and she loved it, so this is definitely a worthwhile project. Next we have this Miffy project, which is so simple and so cute and it won't take that long to do, so it's easy for a quick project. Next we have these really adorable dinosaurs with little hearts on their cheeks. I couldn't find the actual pattern for this, but I found something similar on Ribbler that you can just change the colours of, and you could try and sew a heart on the cheek using a tutorial on YouTube if you don't know how to do that. This project would be ideal for babies and little kids, but could be given to anyone really. Next we have these hanging Spider-Men. You can make 2 of them with different colours, like the Gwen version. I think that's her name. You can use them as a keychain, but you can also hang them from your door thing like an air freshener. And finally, for the amigurumi section, we have this really cute college bear. Again, not necessarily Valentine's Day themed, but it's such a lovely project and I just had to include it. I have followed a similar tutorial from this YouTuber before, which was very easy to follow, so I definitely recommend you watching her video. I think crochet roses are really individual and unique. They might take a little bit of time, but they're the perfect gift for Valentine's Day. If you don't want to buy flowers, you can make your own and it can last forever. On that note of roses, we have this rose keychain. It's very simple, it's very cute, and you could put it on anything. And you could also customize the colors to get different colored flowers. And then finally for this section, we have this heart plant growing out of a pot. I think there are a few tutorials and patterns online, so you can go search them up, but I found this one specifically. And if you're gifting it to somebody else, I doubt they've ever seen something like this before, which makes it a really special gift for them. Again, a very small section. We have this tutorial which includes a scarf, a hat and gloves, which can be useful for the cold weather, and you could also make it pink or red to fit the Valentine's Day theme. This next scarf is really cool. They've used a stitch that kind of looks like hearts, and then you just do them in rows of alternating colours, and then you've got a heart scarf. It's perfect if you're experiencing the winter in February. And then finally, the last tutorial of this section, we have this Valentine's Day crochet scarf, which is just made up of heart granny squares and like a scalloped border. It looks really simple and it doesn't look like it takes a lot of time because it's just granny squares and then a border. So hopefully you can whip this up before Valentine's Day. We have this heart basket, which is very useful for small trinkets and accessories. These heart coasters, which are really practical but also really pretty if you put them around your house. This heart garland, which utilizes string, so you could string along your little hearts. If you don't have string, you can try and follow this tutorial and skip to the garland part, but instead of attaching the stars, attach hearts. I'll link a useful tutorial for mini hearts.
And as an extra idea, you can follow my tutorial on how to make a flower garland right now on my channel.
Next, we have these really adorable jammy dodgers. If you don't know what they are, they're like a jam flavoured biscuit. I don't know where else they're sold, but I know they're very popular in the UK. You do have to pay for this pattern, but there is a free version of this pattern if you like. And it includes the actual heart of the jammy dodger, which is more appropriate for Valentine's Day. We've got another food item, these really cute chocolate covered strawberries. You can put them in cupcake liners and then put it in a tin or just have it out on a tray. But these are nice because you can keep them around the house all year long as a little commemoration of Valentine's Day. We've got another Spider-Man themed project, the Spider-Man heart pillow. I have been debating whether or not to make this for my friend's birthday, but I probably will. So even though it is in a heart, it's useful all year round and really good for Spider-Man lovers. And then lastly, we have this array of book covers, and one of them has like a little heart on the front and ribbons on the side, which is perfect for Valentine's Day, and you could put it on a book or a journal.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but I forgot to mention a project. It's these really cute heart coasters that you can put around your house, and the pattern is free. All of the videos and patterns will be linked in the description, so go check them out. And back to the video.
We have have this heart granny square which you can use in almost any project, whether it's a scarf, a top, a bag. With crochet heart pouches which you can put rings or wallets in. This heart bookmark which also teaches you how to crochet with grids. These heart hair clips. There's no pattern for this, but you can use a heart tutorial from earlier and then hot glue it onto some hair clips. Then we have a Valentine's top which is like in the shape of a heart, but then also has little mini hearts in it as well, and the sweetheart neckline, so it's like a whole 3-in-1. This is one of the longer projects, but if you want to make clothes for someone, I suggest doing this tutorial. And then finally, for our last idea, we have this heart bag which also comes with a heart keychain in the tutorial as well, and I'm pretty sure you can customize the size of it too, whether it be a handbag, a purse, or a tote bag. Anyway, that is the end of this video. Leave a comment down below what you're gonna make for Valentine's Day, or what your favorite item from this list is. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.